Hi everyone, today I have a Valentine Mani for you. Let's get into it. I'm starting on a peel off base coat with clean nails, and I am putting down my base coat, and this is the China Glaze white on white. I love this. This is my go-to white polish. It dries quickly and is opaque in 2 coats, so I really love this one and use it a lot. I'll be putting 2 coats on for this one. This Mani is a collab that I do on Instagram, and it's adults coloring book nails, and what we do is create like coloring book pages on our nails. So we always have a black and white Mani, and then we color it in and have a colored Mani. So when you color it in, you can do it any number of ways. You can use polishes, you can use Sharpies, you can use acrylic paint, you can use alcohol ink if you want to do that and make like the Sharpie ink. There are any number of ways that you can color this in, even if you can use crayons, whatever you want to do to color it in. And you color inside the lines, and it just looks like a coloring book page. So that's the whole premise. And I will have the Facebook link down below for you, as well as the Instagram link if you guys want to check it out. If you are on Instagram and you're interested in joining this collab, I encourage you. It's a lot of fun. The themes are set for us every month, and you just do your Mani according to the theme. This one was Valentine's, and so that's why I chose the images that I did. And really beautiful plates that I'm using here. Hello Maniology, and this Lina nail art stamping plate. This one is Make Your Mark 03. It has those beautiful open hearts on it, which are just perfect for what I want to do with this Mani. So it's just the beginning of Valentine's season, right? We have a couple of weeks to go before Valentine's Day, so there are going to be a lot more of these Manis. I just went with something really basic and really cute. I just want to show you guys how I clean my plates. I use the cleanup tool with a cotton ball dipped in acetone or nail polish remover. I prefer nail polish remover. And then I used a brush that you saw me use there just to give a little scrub to the plate when it has really fine, small images on it. Sometimes the polish gets stuck, needs a little extra cleaning. Now once I have these images on my nails, I'm just going to put on my smear proof top coat, and these are the essence polishes that I have, and I'll be using them to color in my hearts. This is the first time I think that I've ever done the coloring part with polish instead of Sharpies. I usually use the Sharpies and color them in, but today I felt like using polish, and I love the hearts, and the essence polishes are really bright and beautifully pigmented, and you guys see that I've sped this up a lot. I don't want you to think that I move that fast. In fact, this is really edited a lot because I'm like a snail's pace when it comes to filling in, because I'm going to stay in the lines if I can. This collab is hosted by Milpa on Instagram, and she really gives great themes for us, and it's once a month that we do this, so I may be bringing you a few more of these videos, because it's also a great inspiration when you're really trying to think up what am I going to do for my next manicure. So I hope you enjoy seeing it, and leave me a little comment and let me know if you'd like to see more of this, because I really enjoy doing it. This one was a lot of fun, and like I said, beginning of Valentine's season, so there's going to be a lot more. And that's this one done. You just give it a final coat of fast drying glossy top coat, and that's it. I have a couple of stills coming up for you, the black and white version as well as the colored in one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and if this is your first time and you'd like to subscribe for more, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and the bell icon will notify you when I upload my videos, and that's usually once a week. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.